Hi guys, it's Temi with YellowSparksJoy. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I am packing in my suitcase. Oh my god, I'm so excited. It is finally time for me to go on vacation. If you didn't know, I work a full-time job and I do YouTube as my hobby. So all through summer, I have actually been working. So now my vacation is here. I've literally been planning this trip for like 2 years. I'm not even exaggerating. And this is the first time I'm traveling with my son in 3 years. He can't even remember the last time he traveled. He can't remember any of the times he's traveled internationally. And he's traveled quite a bit internationally, but he can't remember. So this will probably be the first time he has any memory, like for the rest of his life, of this type of trip. So I'm really, really excited for that. His birthday is actually coming up next month. So this is sort of like an early birthday present or birthday celebration for him. We're going on a cruise. I'm so excited. We're going on a cruise ship. I've been wanting to go on a cruise for 6 years, and I finally decided that I really like, out of all the cruise lines that I had seen, I liked the Disney cruise ships. So okay, let me sit down so I can explain this to you guys very well. So for the past 6 years, I wanted so bad to go on the Disney Magic, just because out of all the Disney ships, I felt like that was the nicest one and the most exciting for what they had to offer. But Disney just launched their newest cruise ship. They've been building it for the past 10 years. It's been in the works, and they finally launched it a month ago. So they've been doing like inaugural sailings and all of that for the past month. There's a lot of YouTube videos out there on it. We're leaving today. We're setting sail on Monday. I'm so excited, and I'm packed. So I'm just going to show you guys what handbags I packed, because I know you guys are all here for handbags. That's what we love. I'll show you guys what handbags I packed. Not very many, and I say this in quotes. Not very many, because I really don't need handbags on the trip. I mean, it's a cruise ship. We're going to be on the ship most of the time, but I do need handbags for like the dinings, because we have specialty dinings, 3 specialty dinings on the ship. So I need handbags for those. So I packed for that. And then for like when we dock at the port, so Disney's Private Island, Castaway Cay, and then at in Bahamas, I would need something when we dock at those ports. So I have 3 pieces of luggage. This is the big one that we're going to check in. Now, okay, let me start with this one since it's open. This one I'm carrying just because it's free. I have one free checked-in bag, and I feel like on our way back, I might have stuff that I want to put in here, and I wouldn't have space if I just take my carry-on. So I have one carry-on, my son has one carry-on, and then we have this bigger luggage to check in. So I feel like I need the space for when we're coming back. But right now, all that's in there is stuff that I wouldn't really miss if it doesn't get to us on time when we get to Orlando, Florida, which is where we're sailing from. And you know, with all the airport delays now and missing luggage, like I've heard so many horror stories, I'm not even in the mood for anything to go wrong for this trip. So we're leaving 2 days early, 2 days before our sail away date, just so we can get to Orlando in time and without any issues, and our luggage will be there and all of that. But just in case it's not, all our essentials, all the things we need for the actual cruise is our carry-on. So we're going to have that with us all the time. Anything else that is in this big box is just extra stuff, and then space, because I feel like I would need the space when we're coming back. So this is what it is right now. This is from BB. This is a set I bought from Winners, the big one and the small one. So you can see it's pretty empty. And then I have my Tory Burch basket bag. This I'm going to be wearing in Bahamas when we have a little tour already pre-booked, that tour. So I'm going to be using this. And if you want to watch, I'm going to do like an outfits video, like what I'm wearing for each occasion during the trip. If you want to watch that, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and hit the notification bell beside the subscribe button so you know when I upload all of the videos. I'm gonna have a series of travel vlogs. Okay, so moving on, we have this bag right here, and this is my hand luggage. I have my outfit that I'm going to be wearing later today for the trip. So this is pretty much already done. I'm ready to zip it up, but I thought I would show you guys it first. And here we are. So I already have everything packed. Here is my one swimsuit that I want with me in case the others don't arrive. At least I know I have that. I have all my outfit packed for each day. I'm going to probably be changing like 3 times a day because there's different things on board and on shore as well. And then I have here underwear, and back here I have shoes, ones that I absolutely must have. And then here, so this is what I wanted to show you guys, is my purse, my YSL, my Saint Laurent Uptown pouch. This is actually the first time I'm going to be using this pouch ever, and I've had this thing for like 2 years. I love it to death. I love the color. Green is my favorite color in handbags, and I love that it is croc embossed. It's just so cute. However, it's just too small, so I'm taking it on this trip to pair it with this beautiful dress. This dress is actually like a blue, like an aqua type blue, but it pairs so well with this handbag. Like it does. It's a blue green, so it pairs, like the green brings out the color in this dress much more than a blue bag does. So this I'm going to be using for one of our specialty dinners, actually the dinner for our Arendelle restaurant. So it's a frozen themed restaurant. So we've been invited to Anna and Christoph's engagement party, so we're very excited. So that's where I'm going to be wearing that outfit too. Very happy to finally use my Uptown pouch. So that is bag number 1 for the trip, and box number 1 for the trip. My carry-on, put that back. We've seen this already, and bag number 2, and I can close that now, I believe. I don't think there's anything else that will be going in this box, so I think I can close that now. And then, oh, let me show you guys my luggage tag, my back tag. I got this from Dollarama with a matching passport holder that is in my hand luggage, my carry-on. Is this the hand luggage or the carry-on? I kind of call them both the same thing. I think that is hand luggage and this is carry-on, right? Right. Anyway, so this was a set with a wallet, a long wallet, kind of like a wristlet. My sister has taken that for herself and refused to give me back. So she uses that when she goes on travel because it holds a lot. It holds the passports for all of her family, and they're about 5. So I have this, and this holds 2 passports. It's probably supposed to hold only 1, but I've used it to fit both mine and my son's passport and some of our cards. So these are our travel documents here. This is the bag tag that I've attached to this bag. So I love this set so much. A little bit of color transfer already on there, but I don't mind. Again, I bought this from the dollar store like 2 years ago for about $4 each, and I love them so much. So this is my hand luggage for the trip. I'll come back to that in a bit. Let's move over to my son's carry-on. And so this is what he, well, I'll be holding it, but this is his outfit for today is already ready. Like, I've put it out, so when it's time to leave, he'll just change into that. And then I'm making him yes, I'm making him carry this backpack. This is my Coach West backpack, I believe, from the Coach X Peanuts collection from the outlet, and he's going to be carrying this. And I think he just has headphones in here, I believe. Yes, just this pouch with some headphones in there that I got from the dollar store that he can use on the plane to watch movies and things. And then in the main compartment, there's a water bottle that I put in there for him, and then I put his stuffed animal in there as well. So that's his water bottle, that's his stuffed animal. Honestly, this thing can hold more, but, and I'll link my video on what's in my bag, this particular bag, what fits. I'll link it below so you can watch that. So I just have it packed and zipped because he is ready. And then we have his back tag here as well. He got this from when he was playing soccer, has his name and information on it as well. I just think it's so cute. And yeah, he's pretty much ready to go. And finally, my hand luggage, carry-on, whatever this one is, the bag I will be using for travel. This is my Shop I Love Jewelry Gabby or Gabrielle tweed tote, and this is how I have it packed. This is what I want to show you. This is my Coach X Keith Haring Mickey camera crossbody that I'm going to be using for this trip. I picked that up, and then I also have the wristlet, also from the same collection, with the Mickey face right there. I think this is so adorable, and this is holding some more travel documents, but I'll also use it as a purse, as a wristlet on the trip. So if you want to see what is in my bag, I have a video on what's in my travel tote. If you want to see that, as well as a review on this bag, I will leave that here linked so you can go watch that. Also, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of this travel series and my other upcoming videos. So make sure you hit that tiny notification bell beside the subscribe button. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.